the blue elf again? Why would you do this? Why haven't you learned your lesson yet? This is terrible. Just terrible. What in the world is inside the elf? Look, are you guys seeing this? Let me get this up. Are you seeing this? It looks like candy. And then there is stars and big, giant, golden gumballs. They're golden. Wow, I can't believe it. But there's just so much of it. How did all of this candy yum yums get inside? Are you seeing all this? Well, you know what? I think we're going to have to do surgery and repair you. And Zart, you owe the blue elf a big, big apology. Okay, so I have the cinnamon for after the surgery. Okay, so first, let's go ahead and clear off the area before we go. Okay. Let's see. Okay. Oh, this is just not good. Not good at all. Okay, let's see what's actually inside the elf. There's a whole bunch of candy. Whoa! There's so much of it in there. I can't, okay, well, don't worry. We are going to put all the candy back inside. Oh, there's even more. I just don't know how it all fit in there. He must have ate a whole bunch of candy. Okay, now not to worry. Afterwards, like I said, I'm going to give him cinnamon so that he can prepare to fly back to the North Pole for Santa to fix him. Okay, is he smiling? Okay, woo! Thank goodness, he is still smiling, okay? Dust it off, dust off your face. Shh, shh, you're just going to have to remember to breathe, okay? Stitch you shut. Okay, it's gonna be okay. Okay, he's still smiling. Okay, you're doing great. You're doing absolutely phenomenal, to be exact. Okay. Okay. You're doing good. You're doing good. We're gonna stitch you up, make you as good as new. And I brought the extra great cinnamon that has the snowflakes and glitter on it because I know that that's the stuff that has the most potent for the elves. On the shelf. Whoa. What? He cut off its legs too? I'm just now seeing this. Did you guys know that he did that too? That was just so mean. Zart, why are you so mean? What are we gonna do with Zart? I mean, this is just not good. Okay, breathe, it's okay. It's okay. His eyes just blinked, it scared me. Okay, it's gonna be okay. He has the candy yum yums inside. So there's nothing to worry about, okay? No need to panic, everyone. He is going to be okay, I promise, because I wasn't sure if everybody knows, but I actually went to elf school recently to get my doctorate in family elf medicine, and I graduated, and as you can see, I'm a very excellent elf doctor. Okay, now we are just going to do a little bit of snippy here. Okay, then we are going to feed you, okay, let's see, 2 plus 2 equals 4, and then 2 golds equals 6, plus I think one of these is going to be the magic trick. Okay. Okay, and then 1 little bite of gumball so you can chew on your way to the North Pole. And then I'm going to just brush your legs together so that they can blend well with the cinnamon. Okay, sprinkle some cinnamon around the elf. Okay, gotta get some extra cinnamon right here. But an extra potent powder. Okay. Okay, now let's see if he comes back, if he's all better, thanks to my elf magic skills. Let's see if the cinnamon actually worked with the surgery that I performed. His legs are fixed, just like brand new. Oh, did you see that? There's candy there. Oh, look, he's all better. Well, there's no need to worry. I ended up taking away the scissors from Zart and I had a really, really big talk with him. But what are we gonna do about Zart? He just keeps cutting open the elves and so is his son Boogie. Well, I'm so glad the elf got better. But if you like this video, down below, you're welcome to like it. Subscribe to my channel, become a member of the Spirella family where you can see more crazy and silly things my elves on the shelf do. Thanks so much for watching.